In today's real estate market, first-time homebuyers face significant challenges, particularly due to elevated mortgage rates, leading many to delay their purchase plans until rates decrease. A recent poll by BMO Bank revealed that a substantial 71% of potential first-time homebuyers are waiting for mortgage rates to drop before entering the market. Currently, mortgage rates for a 30-year fixed-rate loan hover around 7.5%, a stark contrast to the sub-4% rates prevalent throughout much of 2020 and 2021. This significant increase has created a sense of shock among a generation of homebuyers unaccustomed to rates above 6%, a sentiment highlighted by Danielle Hale, chief economist at Realtor.com. The reluctance to buy due to high rates is not limited to new buyers. Earlier this year, Realtor.com conducted another survey involving 1,003 current homeowners considering selling their homes. The survey revealed that the most popular threshold for considering a new home purchase was a mortgage rate below 5%. However, real estate economists are pessimistic about the likelihood of seeing 4% mortgage rates in the near future. Projections suggest a slight easing to around 6.5% by the end of the year, but significant reductions are not expected. Daryl Fairweather, chief economist at Redfin, emphasizes that people will need to adjust to mortgage rates remaining around 6 to 7% for the foreseeable future. The sharp rise in interest rates in 2022, from about 3% to over 7%, was driven by the Federal Reserve's aggressive measures to curb inflation. Since then, rates have hovered above 6%. It's essential to understand that the low rates of the past decade were an anomaly, influenced by extraordinary economic conditions such as the Great Recession and the COVID-19 pandemic. Lawrence Yun, chief economist at the National Association of Realtors, suggests that it could take up to a decade before we see mortgage rates as low as 4% again. This is particularly challenging for mid-30s millennials, the typical first-time homebuyers, many of whom have never experienced such high rates in their adult lives. For historical perspective, mortgage rates approached 20% in the 1980s, making today's 7% rate more reflective of long-term norms. Despite these high rates, housing prices have shown remarkable resilience. The National Association of Realtors reports that prices for existing homes surged by over 40% between early 2020 and mid-2022. While the rate of increase has slowed, prices continue to rise. From April 2023 to April 2024, the median home price increased by 6%, reaching $434,000, according to Redfin. The market is currently in a state of limbo, with both potential buyers and sellers waiting for more favorable conditions. As Lawrence Yun notes, as interest rates remain elevated for an extended period, people will eventually adjust their expectations. In the meantime, what can frustrated homebuyers do? Financial experts suggest several strategies to navigate the current market. First, consider renting before buying. With the rise of remote work, millions of Americans are relocating, not just from city to suburb, but across states. Renting allows you to explore new areas, understand commuting times, and find essential amenities like grocery stores. This approach also provides the flexibility to buy when rates potentially decrease. Second, find a great real estate agent. In a competitive housing market with low inventories and high prices, a knowledgeable and well-connected agent can be invaluable. A good agent can provide insights into homes that aren't yet on the market and help you navigate the buying process efficiently. Holden Lewis, housing and mortgage expert at NerdWallet, advises prospective buyers to interview multiple agents and choose one who is experienced and well-connected. Third, don't overlook new homes. The new home market is currently robust, with nearly one-third of homes on the market being newly built. Builders are aware of the high-interest environment and are often willing to offer incentives to make the math work for buyers. These incentives might include rate buydowns, which can temporarily lower your mortgage rate and provide significant monthly savings. Orphy Devangui, a senior economist at Zillow, points out that many new homes are designed to be more affordable in today's market conditions. Lastly, explore down payment assistance programs. Many local programs are designed to help first-time and lower-income buyers with their down payment, providing grants or loan funds. Zillow, for instance, includes information about local down payment assistance programs on its listings. Danielle Hale from Realtor.com suggests using these resources to see what assistance might be available in your area. In addition to these strategies, there are other factors prospective homebuyers should consider. Understanding the broader economic context is crucial. The global financial landscape is constantly evolving, influenced by various factors such as geopolitical tensions, technological advancements, and demographic shifts. Keeping abreast of these changes can help buyers make more informed decisions. For instance, shifts in government policies, like changes in tax laws or housing subsidies, can significantly impact the real estate market. Prospective buyers should stay informed about any potential legislative changes that could affect their purchasing power or the affordability of homes. Moreover, financial planning and readiness are essential. Buyers should ensure they have a robust financial plan that includes saving for a down payment, maintaining a good credit score, and being prepared for potential additional costs such as home repairs, property taxes, and insurance. It's also wise to consider the long-term implications of homeownership, including the potential for property value appreciation or depreciation, changes in neighborhood dynamics, and the costs associated with maintaining and upgrading the home over time. Another critical aspect is the emotional and psychological readiness for homeownership. Owning a home is a significant commitment that requires time, effort, and responsibility. Prospective buyers should evaluate their readiness to take on this commitment, considering their lifestyle, career stability, and long-term goals. It's essential to balance the emotional desire to own a home with practical considerations and financial feasibility. Furthermore, buyers should explore various financing options. Beyond traditional fixed-rate mortgages, there are other financing products available that might be more suitable depending on the buyer's financial situation and market conditions. Adjustable-rate mortgages, ARMs, Federal Housing Administration, FHA, loans, and Veterans Affairs, VA, loans are some alternatives that can offer different benefits and terms. Consulting with a mortgage advisor can help buyers understand these options and choose the best one for their needs. In summary, while the current real estate market presents significant challenges for first-time homebuyers due to high mortgage rates, there are multiple strategies and considerations that can help navigate these difficulties. By staying flexible, informed, and prepared, prospective buyers can make strategic decisions that align with their financial goals and long-term aspirations. Whether it's renting before buying, finding a well-connected real estate agent, exploring new home options, or leveraging down payment assistance programs, there are various pathways to achieving homeownership even in a challenging market. As the market evolves, staying adaptable and proactive will be key to successfully navigating the journey to homeownership.